In this video, I want to show you some of the common problems that happen to students when they're first working with Swirl and how you can resolve them. So let's get into Swirl. Okay, I am going to say start something new, Sociology Swirl, which is number 1. And then I'm going to go into the second swirl, R as calculator. Whoops, that's number 2. Okay, so we're going through, and remember each time you see the 3 dots, it means hit enter to continue. Okay, so it says type 7 plus 2 at the prompt below. Although it's not crystal clear, what this is asking you to do is actually literally type the number 7, the plus sign, and 2. So 7 plus 2, okay? And then the same for subtraction, 7 minus 2, and multiply 7 times 2. Now let's say, for some reason, I didn't really understand what it was asking me for. I didn't understand the instructions, and I thought that they were asking me for the answer. What does it mean when you multiply 7 times 2? And so I typed 14 because 14 is 7 times 2. Okay, so it gives me this message saying, okay, that wasn't quite right. Do it another time, try it out. Let me try again, and let's say I'm still think that 14 is what I should be doing. If you keep having a situation like this where you really feel like the answer you're giving is the right one, or you're just completely lost and don't really know what to do next, but you want to proceed, the tip I can give you is that you type the word skip and you put the parentheses at the end, just empty set of parentheses. And if you do that and type skip, it does the answer for you. It shows you what they wanted you to say and the answer, and then you just move on to the next step. So that's one thing that you should know. Another thing is if you, I'm going to try this. Just typing nonsense. Okay. So if you happen to type something like that I just did, and it was a mistake, and you end up with a plus sign rather than that cursor pointer arrow, the way to get yourself out from this plus sign and back to where you want to be is to hit the escape key on your keyboard. Up at the top left of your keyboard, just hit escape. I did, and so it then brings me back to the prompt. Remember, right now we're still in our swirl tutorial, so I'm going to just type skip again, and it'll get me going on to the next few steps. So this is just some helpful hints, hopefully, that will make the experience with RStudio and Swirl a little less frustrating. If you have any questions, please absolutely let me know, because there are probably other classmates who have the same ones. Thanks.